Now, amid a backlash over the introduction of 20% ethanol blended petrol, the centre has now only emphasized that the move will help reduce pollution and save money on oil imports, but also has gone on to say that the formulation leads to better acceleration and even ride quality, on claims that mileage has taken a significant hit because of the pricing. Now, the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas has said that the concerns have been, they had been anticipating this as far back as 2020, and mileage is also said to be influenced by several factors, including driving habits included. Take a look at this report.
Is ethanol blended petrol damaging your vehicle? While the government has touted E20 as a step towards energy security and reduced oil imports, it has faced opposition from motorists. Vehicle owners are worried about reduced engine performance and damage to older vehicles not designed for high ethanol content. The pricing of E20 fuel has also become a major issue, with many consumers asking why pump prices are not lowered given ethanol's lower production cost. The real picture may look completely different. The government has strongly defended the country's ethanol blending program amid misleading claims. The government has also dismissed fears that using E20 would void vehicle insurance, describing such claims as baseless and deliberate fear-mongering.
आने वाले समय में निश्चित रूप से फ्लेक्स इंजन की ओर हम जा रहे हैं, जिसमें हमारी बड़ी बड़ी ऑटोमोबाइल कंपनियां अब फ्लेक्स इंजन लॉन्च कर रहे हैं, जिसके कारण हम 100% बायो इथेनॉल का उपयोग करेंगे। दूसरी ओर पेट्रोल में भी 20% तक इथेनॉल अभी तक आया है। यह कहा गया कि इथेनॉल के कारण व्हीकल में प्रॉब्लम आ रहे हैं, जबकि इसकी एक भी कंप्लेंट कोई आई नहीं है। आज हमारे इथेनॉल यूज करने के बाद ऐसी कोई कंप्लेंट नहीं, उल्टा उससे पोल्यूशन भी कम हुआ है।
Union Minister for Petroleum and Natural Gas Hardeep Singh Puri declared India's ethanol adoption program unstoppable, underscoring rapid progress in blending ethanol with petrol. The Parliament was informed on Monday that ethanol blending with petrol by public sector oil companies shot up to 19.93% in July this year. The government's stand has been clear. Ethanol blending has fourfold advantages. It lowers greenhouse emissions, it improves air quality, it betters engine performance, and foreign exchange savings exceed of rupees 1.4 lakh crore. India is moving rapidly towards ethanol blending. While critics suggest that E20 causes a drastic reduction in fuel efficiency, government has rejected them, calling them misplaced. E20 gives better acceleration and ride quality. As for mileage concerns, the government has said old vehicles running on E20 fuel face a drop of only 3 to 6%.